Hello guys, I'm Dr. Ganesh. In this video, I would like to brief you about an SRE, Site Reliability Engineering, and some key metrics associated with SRE, SLO, SLA, and SLA. So what is Site Reliability Engineering? According to Wikipedia, it's a discipline that incorporates aspects of software engineering and applies them to infrastructure and operational problems. So the main goal is to create scalable and highly reliable software systems. Now, this word has been coined and this team has been formed initially by Google back in 2003. And what they say about SRE is what you get when you treat operations as if it's a software problem. So, how does a day in the life of an SRE looks like? So, according to skill updates, you see here on-call rotation, 24/7 support, various time zones, multi-cloud strategies, huge amount of volume of data that deal with, and service level indicators, eliminating toil, distributed teams, release engineering. Wow, a lot, right? So, never tell me the odds. That is what SRE is. Now, everything about an SRE, if I want to summarize in a slide, this is what it is. Again, by Skill Updates DevOps Institute from Twitter, service level management, change management, incident management, problem management. Oh, okay, so let's look at some of them as we go on. What is common for all tech companies, guys? For all tech companies, the common thing is users. Whether you are Google search engine serving a billion active monthly users who interact with your service for free, or Salesforce with 3.75 million paying subscribers, building a technology product means serving people. Atlassian has a nice article on SRE, and this is taken from. Hence, it is important for the companies to understand SLOs, SLIs, and SLAs. The three initialisms that represents the promises as a company we make to our customers, our users, the internal objectives that help us keep those promises, and the trackable measurements that tell us how we are doing. Okay, so what is the goal? The main goal: get everybody, whether it is client or a vendor, same page about system performance. How often will your system be available? How quickly will your team respond if the system goes down? What kind of promises are you making about speed and functionality? So, in short, users want to know SLAs, SLOs, and SLIs. On a high level, the definition as per Atlassian, SLA is called Service Level Agreement, the agreement that you make with your customers or your users. And Service Level Objective or SLO is the objective your team must hit to meet that agreement. And finally, SLIs are Service Level Indicators, the real numbers on your performance. So again, what is the difference? So SLI from the opposite direction, we have chosen to measure progress towards our goal. So latency of a request. How much latency did you see? That is essentially SLI. What about SLO? The objective of the SLI, which is stated, what we are trying to accomplish for ourselves or for our customer. Say we are trying to accomplish 99.5% of requests to be completed in 5 milliseconds. What about SLA? The contract which is written and agreed, signed, explicitly stating In case I am not able to achieve my SLO, what will I do for you? If 99% of our system requests aren't completed in 5 milliseconds, you get a refund. So you see here the crux. SLA says 99%, whereas I ensured my objective internally is even higher. So even if I slip that, I will still be able to meet my SLA. So let me tell you one by one with some more examples. So SLI, it indicates the successful transactions requested by the services over a predefined intervals of time. These parameters allow us to measure much required performance and availability of the service. Availability of a service, uptime of a service, number of successful transactions or requests, consistency and durability of the data. All these are examples of SLIs. What about SLOs? They define an acceptable downtime of the service. For multiple components, there can be different parameters which define acceptable downtime. For example, durability of disk should be 99.9%, or availability of services should be 99.95%, or services should successfully serve 99.999% requests per transactions. How do we typically start? We typically start with a low SLO and try to increase it gradually. Finally, SLA, it defines a penalty that service provider should pay in an event of service unavailability for predefined period of time. Partial refund of a subscription fee, additional subscription time added for free, all these are part of SLAs. Where can I start with all this? If you go to landing.google.com/SRE/books, there are plenty of books by these pioneers on site reliability engineering. I strongly encourage you to go and read those books. Let's hope you like this video. Feel free to subscribe, share, and give comments and feedback. Hoping to get more videos as we go along. Thank you.